Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Chloe and today's video is going to be a get ready with me first day of classes. It's my last first day of school ever, so like unless I go to grad school, like this is my last first day of school. It kind of hurts a little bit. So yeah, I'm just going to take you guys along with me and let's get this day started. So this is what I'm wearing today. I'm wearing this little belt. And I don't know what shoes I'm gonna wear. I think I'm gonna wear either my Docs or my Converse. I just got these two, so I'm kind of excited to wear them. And then accessories, you can't really see, but I'm wearing this necklace and these little hoops. Okay, so that was it for my get ready with me first day of classes video. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and also don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below. I love you guys so much and I'll see you in my next video.